WCS-6800 Engine Radiator Change Machine. Operation process. Remove the cover of water tank. Remove the radiator upper pipe. Connect the adapters. Fill the antifreeze liquid into the water tank of the machine. Connect the power supply with 220V. Connect the liquid hoses of the machine with the adapters. Red tube pointing to the inside of the engine. Yellow tube pointing to radiator. Fill the cleaning agent into the water tank. Start the engine. Keep the valve to clean position. Used fluid appears through the hose.
Just kiss me.
Start the machine. Cleaning finished and turn off. Turn the valve to exchange position. Used fluid appears through the hose.
Just kiss me.
Start the machine. When the color of new and used fluid is closed in windows, exchange finished. Turn off the machine.
Just kiss me.
Turn off the engine. Tip: the water temperature of the car is too high during cleaning and liquid changing. Shut down engine, pause operation. Wait until the water temperature is normal. Recover the original connection after the engine is cooling. Refilling new antifreeze fluid. Start the engine. If no leakage, the cleaning is finished.